The Constitution permits much private religious activity in and about the public schools. Unfortunately, this aspect of constitutional law is not as well known as it should be. Students may be taught about religion, but public schools may not teach religion. The history of religion, comparative religion, the Bible, or other scripture as literature, either as a separate course or within some other existing course, are all permissible public school subjects. It is both permissible and desirable to teach objectively about the role of religion in the history of the United States and other countries. Students may express their religious beliefs in the form of their reports, homework, and artwork, and such expressions are constitutionally protected. Teachers may not reject or correct such submissions simply because they include a religious symbol or address a religious themes. Students have the right to pray individually or in groups, or to discuss their religious views with their peers as long as they are not disruptive. Teachers and school administrators, when acting in those capacities, are representatives of the state, and in those capacities are themselves prohibited from encouraging or soliciting students' religious or non-religious activity. Students have the right to distribute religious literature to their schoolmates, subject to those reasonable time, place, and manner, or other constitutionally acceptable restrictions imposed on the distribution of all non-school literature. Outsiders may not be given access to the classroom to distribute religious or anti-religious literature. Student religious clubs in secondary school must be permitted to meet and to have equal access to campus media to announce their meetings. If a school receives federal funds and permits any student non-curricular club to meet during non-instructional time. Public schools may teach about religious holidays and may celebrate the secular aspect of the holiday and objectively teach about their religious aspects. They may not observe the holidays as religious events. Schools have substantial discretion to excuse individual students from lessons which are objectionable to that student or to his or her parent on the basis of religion. Students may wear religious attire such as yarmulkes or headscarves, and they may not be forced to wear gym clothes that they regard on religious grounds as immodest. In the end, the state may neither prefer nor prohibit religious exercise, but rather must remain neutral.